Incredible investment opportunity. This large home can serve as a single-family residence or a duplex. The main floor has a large living room/dining room, 3 large bedrooms, a full bath, and a newly remodeled kitchen. The second floor has its own entrance, its own laundry, 3 bedrooms, kitchen, living area, and bathroom. The exterior is newly painted, has new windows on second floor and in basement. Basement is huge and could be upgraded into a third living space. This property is an income-producing property on a corner lot, near public transit, near shopping, and has large vacant lot next door. The updates are gorgeous and the traditional features are charming.